How to check your internet speed in a legit way. So first thing first, just make sure you have downloaded the application called speed test from the Play Store. And once you have downloaded the speed test application, simply click on the application like this. And once you click on the application, wait for some time to load, for it to be load. And just make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. Just skip it from here, and as it's a free app, it will definitely show you ads. So just make sure you are connected to the network, and you can also change the network from here. Let's say I want to change network to Worldlink communication like this, and it will display my network connection, and you can simply click on the go, and it will process it for some time to calculate the speed, upload speed as well as download speed. So as you can see, it has shown that my download speed of my Wi-Fi is 106 Mbps, and while the upload speed is 126 Mbps. So that's exactly how you can measure the Wi-Fi speed easily on your device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.